So here's something we're going to look at the beginning of class, starting next week, is we're going to be looking at providing IUPAC names for alcohols. And basically, there's only 3 rules that you need to learn in order to give an IUPAC name for an alcohol. So the first rule is to name the longest chain. So we're going to look for the longest chain. So name longest chain in the molecule. And it's the longest chain that contains the OH group. So we're going to be looking for that OH group when we're finding that longest chain. So that's going to be key, is finding the OH group on our longest chain. Number 2, we're going to number the longest chain, and we're going to start at the end with the hydroxyl group. So we're going to number that longest chain. So we're going to say starting with the OH or hydroxyl group. So this group is going to be, we're always going to number starting with the hydroxyl group. So you can see, again, a lot of attention goes to the hydroxyl group. And number 3, the third rule, is that we're going to name all the substituents and give their numbers as you would in any alkane or alkene. So we're going to give substituents numbers. So let's look at an example that I have started down here. So if we look at this molecule that I have right here, and we're looking for the longest chain that has our hydroxyl group in it somewhere. So hopefully you can see right away that the longest chain is right here. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. So you can see that this chain is the longest chain in the molecule that contains our hydroxyl group on it. So you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's going to be some kind of butanol. So it's going to be a butanol. But we have to put the position of the hydroxyl group. So it's going to be butan 2. Oops, let me fix that. Butan 2-ol. So this 2 signifies where our hydroxyl group is. So now what do we have left over? We have 2 methyl groups and we have this bromo group. So we have this, let me choose another color here. Let's see, what else do we have left over? We have this bromo, and we also have 2 methyl groups here. So we have bromo and we have methyl, and we're going to order these in alphabetical order. So obviously B comes before M, and the bromo is on the first carbon. So the name of our molecule is going to be, let's see if I can get this right here. It's going to be 1-bromo, again, because our bromo is in the first position and B comes before M. And then we have 2 methyl groups on the 3 position here. So we have 2 methyl groups. So, and they're on the 3rd carbon. So 3, 3, dimethyl butan 2-ol. I realize it's not the neatest writing in the world, but hopefully you can see 1-bromo, 3,3-dimethyl butan 2-ol. So this is the IUPAC name for this compound. And again, just some of the finer points here are that B comes before M. So we have to do this in alphabetical order. And again, we found that longest chain, that chain here, that had 4 carbons in it, but had our hydroxyl group on it. So hopefully this helps you out and gives you an idea of where we're going to start when we're looking at alcohol nomenclature. So we're going to go over a few problems in class, and it would be a good idea to start practicing some of these ahead of time. So that's how we name this compound, using proper alcohol nomenclature.